In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write prompt for Grok Imagine. We'll walk through a simple structure for crafting strong prompts and then put it to work inside the Grok Imagine interface so you can generate exactly what you have in mind. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Before typing anything, take a moment to plan your prompt using this order: subject, action, environment, style, camera, lighting, and details. Subject is who or what the scene is about. Action is what's happening. Environment covers the setting, time of day, and atmosphere. Style is the vibe or genre, like cinematic or cyberpunk. Camera calls out angles, shots, or movements. Lighting sets mood and contrast. Details add polish, like rain, reflections, or motion blur. Thinking in this sequence helps you stay clear and avoid contradictions, and it nudges the model toward consistent, intentional results. Here's a strong example that follows that flow. A young athletic man sprinting through a neon-lit cyberpunk street at night, rain reflecting colorful lights, cinematic style, low-angle tracking shot, shallow depth of field, motion blur, dramatic lighting. Notice how every clause adds a purposeful layer without rambling. Now, inside Grok, look to the left side panel and click Imagine. In the Type to Imagine box, enter a prompt that's already organized by that same order. For instance, a cinematic scene of a person running in slow motion at sunset, orange lighting, wind blowing hair, similar to a dramatic sports commercial, side angle shot. It names the subject and action, sets the environment and style, then specifies camera and lighting. If you want to tweak, adjust just one layer at a time so you can hear and see what changed. You'll see media options. Click image to generate a still if that's what you need, or switch to video for now to produce motion based on the same prompt. Next, choose a resolution. Higher resolution brings more detail and clarity, though it can increase processing time. Then choose a duration. Shorter clips are snappier and render faster. Longer clips give more storytelling room. After that, choose an aspect ratio. Landscape works well for widescreen playback, square is versatile, and portrait favors mobile first viewing. Pick what best suits your destination. When you're set, click submit or press enter. Grok will render your result based on the exact structure you provided. If the outcome is close but not perfect, refine within those same 7 layers, tighten the subject, clarify the action, or adjust the lighting, so each change is deliberate and easy to control. That's all you need to write clear prompts for Grok Imagine and turn your ideas into strong visuals.